Well, today we're going to be hiking Kaaterskill Mountain in Catskills, and this is where we'll be going. Somewhat. This is mostly snowmobile trail a lot of the way, but there's no snow, so there's no snowmobiles out here in February in New York, which is really amazing because last year we had tons of snow and this year we have no snow. But there's the trail. Right there's where we start out at, where we're at now. There's the sign-in box. We always sign in for our own safety so that people know where we started out and that we are actually here and that how many made it out. There's going to be about 10 of us hiking today on this hike. And it's supposed to be some good views from up here, so we'll be seeing whether it's good views or not. Okay, here we are on walking up the trail, and here's where we're gonna go to the left, off the main trail, I guess. Actually, there's one trail that goes around the mountain. So. To the right? Oh, to the right, I mean. They know where we're going? Not really. He's going to the left. We're going to the right. Oh yeah, we're going to the right. My left and right are always like off. But this is an easy trail so far. Pretty much all old logging road, which it probably is all the way around the mountain. Snowmobile trails. Yeah, snowmobile trails, but they were used to. I'm sure they used to be a logging road. So it's a beautiful day today, and we're really going to enjoy it. So this trail to the right is a nice pine forest. Very nice. It's windy up here, but there's no wind in this pine forest. It's shielding us from the wind. Up here, walking up toward Kaaterskill Mountain. Oh look, we're going to be going downhill for a second. That's always nice. That'll increase our elevation gain overall. Better workout. And people behind us have kind of stopped. A well-marked trail, as you can see. All the markers are on the trees. Well, the ascent here on the path has gotten a little bit steeper as we're walking along here. Very nice trail today. Very little ice so far. Mostly just snow. We are on the south side of the mountain. Of course, that could change when we get on the north side of the mountain, where we heard there was more ice. And it's break time. And I don't want to get behind, so I'm ahead. That way it makes it harder to fall behind. Ha ha ha. Since I have a tendency to lag behind sometimes, it's better to be in the front of the pack. That tree had to get cut. Broke off there. A lot of broken trees this year. A lot of work to be done. And you can see the incline here on our ascent up the mountain. This is both a snowmobile and a foot trail, whichever you have, which I don't think there's going to be any snowmobiles out here this day in February, here on the 20th of February, President's Day. In New York State and the Catskills was very little snow. We're having a very easy winter. People down south got it a lot rougher than us this year, from what I can see. Out west, you're getting all the snow we usually get. Sorry for you, but we're happy. Except that we can't snowshoe. Doggone it. This would be a nice snowshoe path to take today, but we're not going to be doing that. Okay, and onward and upward. Well, we're up to a flat spot here on the trail. I got a little ahead of everybody else, and we're back in a pine forest. I saw some deer tracks back there just a little ways, and here comes everybody else catching up to me now. Hear that tree squeaking over there in the wind? Yep. Oh, now I'm going to have to play catch up. This is trail talk. We're always trail talking. Not me, because I don't know much about trails.
Howdy. Hey.
And off we go again. So we're getting on the north side of the mountain now, and you can see there's a lot more snow here. It's not melting as it has been on the south side of the mountain, where there's hardly any snow. Here we have a few inches of snow. That's fluffy snow, hasn't melted much. There does seem to be ice underneath, but it hasn't bothered us yet. No one's really got their microspikes on at this point.
We're just telling them your experience. Oh, are you filming?
Oh, yeah.
What experience with that? Go ahead, tell everybody.
The experience in the Hudson Valley Hikers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But we shouldn't be filming that.
Why not?
Because
Make a disclaimer.
some controversy.
The opinions expressed in this video do not reflect the official position of hiking mates.
Okay.
Hudson Valley hikers suck.
Yeah, that's it. They'll leave you in the woods by yourself. Yeah.
I mean, the way
they sat out on the road with the car and waited for me to come out.
Oh, that's a big help.
Oh, yeah.
And what, just drive home if you don't show up?
Yeah.
Well, he must have come
a little different on a bushwhack, too.
Yeah. He could have come out
and on a
different way. It was a
bushwhack.
bushwhack.
I didn't come out exactly where they did, but no matter how you came out, you had to come down the road.
Yeah, but even on a regular
But they had parked a car where we was going to come out at to take everybody back. It said they didn't wait on anybody.
With us, we waited every junction to make sure they were all accounted for. Leave somebody to...
Or have a leader hike sweep if there's someone's having trouble.
On the bushwhack, though, he was left on North Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, and there was a bear on top of the mountain. It was fresh snow that morning, and there was fresh bear tracks on top of the mountain. Yeah, so, you know.
Well, you know the success rate is 85%, so they're just leaving you there for the bears.
That's right. They were.
5%.
When there's only
That's what we
four,
always
we fight
say.
over it.
85%.
Yeah, you can leave out of 10, you can leave like one person, 1.5 people in the woods.
If you look at our Hellcat pictures, we were fighting over who's not going to be the survivor.
Yeah, that was funny.
Rick was in there. He had a stick he was pointing at.
Yes, yep. Jason was hitting you. I was watching. Yeah, it did look like the three of us were against you.
Some kind of picture like that. Maybe we could hold you up or something.
Throwing me.
So this is going to be your 35th high peak in the winter today, huh?
Yes, woohoo!
All right. I don't know what I am because I don't count.
This is number one.
You're a hiking mate.
That's right. I just go for the hike wherever. I try to go on a new one, so if I haven't been there, I'll go. That's all I know.
I like to go to new places too. Or new seasons. New seasons are fine too. That's
Yeah.
I'll go back to the same. I'll do Kaaterskill in winter. I did Algonquin in summer and winter. Totally different experience.
Yeah.
You know, it's different doing them at nighttime and daytime too.
I bet.
I've done some night hikes.
That's insane.
Night sun.
Those are fun. Yeah, night hikes.
I gotta try it.
I usually come
It just
down.
seems a little wacky.
Yeah, full moon would be fun.
Climbed Feltsit in the night and came down and we got back to our campsite South Meadows at 1 in the morning.
You know, it's no more dangerous.
We started Nipple Top and Dial at night, and we ended up at night. So
Yeah, it's fun to climb them at nighttime. It really
Just got to
is.
bring some more blankets. I heard the Arrows was telling me it was a bit cold on Marcy
Oh,
even
Marcy,
in
we
June.
did the sunrise hike. Oh my
Middle
gosh.
of the night, it was kind of
Yep,
chilly
we
up
went
there,
up
I
at
heard.
8 o'clock at night. Went up at 8 o'clock at night so that we would be there when the sun came up. The thing is that when we got up there, it was like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So we had some time before the sun came up. And I did take a blanket with me, but I didn't take,
What'd you see?
Relationship.
Are we getting ready to start up the herd path here?
Happy being alone.
we weren't prepared for the chilliness on Marcy. It was cold up there. Summertime.
Yeah, and
Summertime, it gets cold when
in November, and Giant was cold on top in November. Some guy went up there with a barefoot, and he had his feet wrapped up on top of the mountain.
Yeah, well, November,
Barefoot.
it is cold.
Barefoot in November.
Strange hikers in this.
You do.
You climb giant barefoot.
Yep.
I climbed Crane barefoot.
He was kind of running up the mountain though, so you know.
There was a story behind Crane. I had my backpack and my hiking boots in another car. They got lost on the way.
Oh, no.
And I'm there with everybody else, and I had flip-flops on, and there's no way I'm hiking in flip-flops. So I said,
No, that's
better
worse than
off going
hiking
barefoot. And you know, it wasn't that bad because there's a lot of rocks there. Not bad at all.
So now we're going to start up the what's it called? A herd trail?
Herd path?
Herd path up to the top? Or is this a herd? Yeah, this is a herd path, right?
Almost, yeah, we're still making our way around to the final herd
Most of
path.
it we're going to be on snow.
Oh, we're not there yet?
No, not quite.
It's not quite crampon time yet?
Nah. Getting close, though.
Poet's Ledge, I did it this summer, and there were snakes all around Poet's Ledge. Black snakes, copperheads.
They inspire poetry.
Yeah, copperhead right on the ledge.
I seen the
It kind of went back into the crevice as we came in. Uh-oh.
That would have been.
I got pictures of it.
You know how to treat.
Well, I don't got pictures of it. There's pictures of it in our hike.
They say not to do that.
Really?
Yeah, I
Get
found
Eastern Timber Rattlers?
Tourniquet. And
I don't know. I haven't seen one.
study, I guess.
Nice blade you got there.
Huh?
It's a nice blade you got there.
Yeah, I just got this at BJ's on sale, $39.
$39 for Gerber?
Yeah.
Wow. Still.
It's a Bear Gillis.
Huh?
Bear Gillis.
Actually, I think that's a last resort. I think you're already supposed to.
It's got a fire starter thingy here.
Like kill a deer with your bare hands and drink his blood with it?
Well, I think I could maybe give myself some protection against a bear. And it's got a nice sharpener on the
I
back.
got a K-bar I carry sometimes for that kind of thing.
And I figure I could you know, clean some fish with it
Really good.
when I go fishing.
Realize I probably quit watching that guy.
I never washed him, but I like the knife.
Such a joke. I liked his show at first. It was cool because he's actually showing you how to survive to get lost. And then it's like, you know, it has to be, you know, extreme wild animal eating kind of stuff, you know.
Pretty soon, some of us are putting crampons on now. I'm going to wait till everybody else does, or at least till I bust my ass the first time.
I think we're about almost 50-50 for crampons. Not quite.
Or at least microspikes.
Oh, I mean micro spikes. I don't got no crampons. It's micro spikes for me or nothing.
I think it's like, what was it?
if it gets real bad,
I'll switch crampons make it steep. I don't know if I can do it yet.
It's all snow on that.
Oh, well, everybody's putting them on. I might as well put them on so I don't have to make everybody stop again.
I know we're doing crampons too.
And there we have the carry-on mountain marking the herd trail that we'll be taking to go up the mountain. This trail we're on now is a loop, a snowmobile loop that goes around the bottom part of the high part of the mountain. But there's the marker, if you're looking for it when you come up here, to take the herd trail up the mountain. We all have our micro spikes or crampons on now, so we're all safely walking. And off we go. We're starting to see our view here as we head on up this herd trail. And that's the Blackhead Range you're looking at over there. Very nice. And it'll be even better at the top.
We have a third of a mile within
It is a little bit icier up here, as you can see. We have encountered some ice and tried to stay off of it as much as possible. So we keep our arms and legs in one piece, heads too for that matter.
It is a little icy there, yeah. They seem to be doing okay with it.
Here at this herd trail you can see there are markers. That's an old marker right there.
Well, you said that too.
In the tree.
Oh, yeah, so that was another reason.
Well worn.
I don't know, I think we're all... Oh, no, we're not. They're not even back to the...
And that's our way up somewhere. Up over that way somewhere. We don't have very far to go. We're almost at the... we've almost hit the top, the peak.
In the Catskills, it's about
And it's 200 feet and 2/10 of a mile, and we're at the top. So it's kind of steep here and icy. But it's easy enough. And at the top supposed to be some great views. This is great too. Nice little shrub forest. And let me get on the way now. We're very close to the top now, not too far away. And we're in another pine forest. I've seen some deer trail here. A little icy, not too bad. Hello. Hello. So, it's still pretty steep, but not too bad. It's flattened out quite a bit. But very near the top now. So here we are, we're on the summit. Oh look, there's a piece of the plane that didn't quite make it over. See that? They took most of it down. So, ain't that something? They left part of the fuselage, but not very much. Huh. Yeah?
Waypoints enter.
They're under the snow, right?
Yeah.
Actually, did somebody brush one of them off over there? No, this is a piece of metal.
Yeah, just a little round thingy?
Yeah, is there one over there?
No, I mean, no, but is that what it is?
Yeah, like a little round.
Yeah.
GS marker.
That's not it.
No. It was actually just off the summit. I don't remember it being right here at this spot.
People keep dragging the stuff around. I don't know why they do that.
Well, it looks like everybody went that way.
All they do is take the engine usually, if they take anything out of the
They
crash.
didn't take any of this.
Well, I thought I had the crash.
Well, now you do. Unless this is not the crash when they dragged it here.
It's not.
Oh.
It's going to make it a little harder. We can't leave the top of the mountain until we find it. So.
What's that, the plane crash? What is it?
I had the point, and I don't have it saved. I have the USGS markers on here, though. There's one over there, and there's one up that way.
Those 29 winters.
Oh, you found one? That way?
Well, they're marked on here. Somebody put the waypoint.
There's a crash.
30 feet that way.
It's a crash?
Seriously, we looked over
No,
to the
USGS
east.
marks are that way.
Oh, alright. I was going to say, we looked to the east for the plane wreck, because everybody said
down there.
it was off the eastern cliff.
So the top of the mountain is actually over here somewhere, about 30 feet.
Well, they're just triangulation.
Oh, okay.
The high point marker is called a benchmark.
Well, that might be the high point marker over there then.
There is actually a bucket and some door handles and stuff on Dorset Mountain.
Bucket?
Ever been up there? Haven't been up Dorset? No. There's two. Somebody stuck door handles in a tree, one on either side. It's hilarious. And then you get up to the top and there's like buckets and stuff up there. No view. There's an old fire tower up there they cut it in half. It's all gone. It's busted up. But.
Yeah, we should.
Let's give her a thing. While we're here.
Is this the 21 gun salute?
No, it's
The gauntlet? Everyone laughter? That's not nice.
But I need to take a picture, so you.
Well, he's going to put it on film.
We need more. Oh, he's gonna film it.
We could do a couple.
It'll be on YouTube.
Might get tired.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, I think I'll
Start breathing.
I think she's waiting for the
Yeah, she's gonna come up with them.
for the boys.
We'll make the chateau of honor.
Yeah, I probably can take one and do a pull.
Maybe in the group picture we can hold her and she can be laying across. Or...
Yeah, I can do that.
So this is Tracy's 35th winter high peak in the Catskills, which is all the high peaks in the Catskills. This is our last one. And she's getting ready to come up here, and we're going to salute her in some kind of way or another.
Bring the wind with her.
No, it wasn't.
That's it.
Not enough.
stick up.
Yeehaw!
You can't go through here though.
Get your stick up. Get your stick up. No, no, not like that.
Clap 'em? Okay.
Over here, no buck cameras.
Oh, right.
No, you can't take a picture.
I
Come
got
on, Tracy. Put the camera down.
Yeah! Yeehaw!
Thank you all for coming up with
job.
me on this nice icy day.
Congratulations on your
Yep, congratulations.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do something like that one day.
Thanks to Ben for introducing me to the Adirondacks. Thanks to Jason and Mike, who's been hiking with me quite a bit this winter, and everyone else who's joined me. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Hey, you made it. Good job. You did great. Thanks, Jason.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Thanks, Ben. Yeah, I'm glad you did. Thanks.
Oh, thank you for coming.
And Randy.
Actually, right there is a good spot to line up.
Hey, Stacy, let's go sit on the little group there. We'll get some group pictures here.
Yeah.
Are we going to the lookout before we eat?
Snack attack, snack attack.
Mr. Caldwell.
Okay.
Oh, we're in the sun. Well, where we want to be.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, my sunglasses. In this super pouch, can you grab my sunglasses? You know what? I didn't sweat last night.
I didn't need it. That's not freezing. It's like moving in the sun.
Come on, let's everybody get the group shot.
I'm not going to get the chill set. Oh, I've got a tripod.
Tripod too. Set up right there.
Gorilla pod.
Oh,
Oh, the gorilla pod. Yeah, I've got one.
yeah.
Grill pot? Oh,
Right here, Jason.
He's going on the
Oh, you know what?
Pat.
We can set it up to mine if you want.
Gimme.
Gimme now.
You're so bossy.
Gimme.
On top of my axe.
Yeah, let me use your axe.
It's like my child.
Yeah, you can actually, you want to give me a little more room.
Just for everyone there.
Oh, it's nice in the sun.
It is.
It is.
Hammered in. There you go.
Where are you going?
Okay, you on mine next.
This will grip right on it. It's a gorilla pod. Timer
Then
on.
I'll take a turn.
Success rate.
Who else got a camera? How many people got with cameras here?
I can't even
I
see.
brought a camera, but I don't even know why I bother. Just pilfer everyone else's photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes it easy,
It's not like I'm that great of a photographer that it matters what I'm going to do with it.
Hey, it don't matter.
Freaky.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes we just want it
hiking
ourselves.
to do that. I gotta do one or the other.
What, to
That's
take
some fancy
pictures?
stuff right there.
Oh, that's
Well, the
that's your excuse to stop and take a break.
Well, with the gloves, though, I can't. I don't
This
have the
extra
dexterity.
Oh,
Gorilla
yeah.
pod.
Yeah, that's nice. I saw those. I thought about that, but I didn't think they'd be warm enough for me or something.
What can
They
a gorilla
are.
pod
Yeah.
attach to?
Yeah, and I've got 3 pairs with me, so when these ones
I'll
get
send this in
wet,
the gorilla pod and get you some
I
free
just
coupons.
change.
Squeeze in a tiny bit.
Flop.
Go sideways, maybe. Or yeah, do layers. All right.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm shorter.
I just need a spot to go, that's all.
Right there. You come right here in the front.
Quick! Come on, hurry! 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cheese. Cheesy. Hiking mates.
Okay, Goofy one.
What are we gonna do for Goofy this time?
I don't know. What did we do for Goofy
Who's staying
last time?
inspired?
I think we should pick you up and just.
Yeah, let's pick Tracy
No,
up.
There you go.
All
no,
in favor, say aye.
Yeah,
no.
Eyes have it.
I know.
Okay.
We can all lean though.
Everybody ready for goofiness?
Yeah.
We can all lean this
Oh, that's
way.
not goofy.
You do jazz hands.
Ready?
Because we
All
Yeah.
in favor, do
Yeah.
jazz hands.
I'm ready. Is it going?
Yep.
I can't hold it.
I hope I don't stick. Yeah, on my face.
I had my pole there, then I thought, maybe it's in your
Cool.
face.
No, it was a good trick. Oh. Good deal.
Awesome.
So we got all that on video too.
Randy's hiding down the other side yet. Wait a minute.
Randy!
You haven't gotten down yet.
He always does.
I get him on a solo one.
All right, there's a group right there. We got good sun on us too. That worked out good.
Oh, yeah.
Wants to go to Hurricane Ledge for lunch.
Okay,
Okay, Hurricane Ledge for lunch.
in the sunshine.
So we have quite the view
Just out in front of No.
today. And I'm going to make some tea. I always like doing that at the top of the mountain.
Thank you. Yeah. Just like last time, except more white. Take it back down there.
There's only 4 weeks left to get your winter hike.
Hey, do it again.
Still got the 46 now.
Okay.
Yes, you did. Thornton and Cheryl.
Oh, alone.
Oh,
Unless I could,
I've never gone alone either.
unless I could pay Tracy to guide me up there.
Yeah. Which one? Which one do you need, Mike?
Well, per. Big Indian. Big Indian.
I think it's fine. Both times that I've done fur, I've been tired. Fur and Big Indian.
Well, we were breaking fresh snow, so I attributed that climb to that.
Oh, well, the first time I did it, I went with Bud, and it was his 35, and I was carrying up a bottle of champagne. Said, never again am I carrying champagne up the mountain. It's too heavy.
Big old pain, huh?
Throw snowballs at me.
They're doing the cameras there.
You know, I was going to bring wine, but then I thought, you know, if the trails are really icy, we probably shouldn't be drinking. It was the cautiousness.
That's still a tough fight. That's still a tough fight. I mean, you get rid of some of the elevation.
Yeah, say what?
I went up, what I did was the loop you can do. What we did was we went down the road past the notch, where you get up, go up 100 or whatever. Go past it on
Looked
the
like
left.
Chris was doing a ballet move.
Go up the line.
Always about
Yeah.
Already got.
There's views on the way up. That's nice. There's a lot. There's actually about 6 viewpoints on the way up.
Yeah, boy.
And make more tea.
Did you just make some?
No, I brought that up with me.
Oh,
Tea for tag.
yeah, that's right.
I'm only done with it.
But now it's time for soup and crackers. I brought my soup this week.
Oh, that one you don't have to eat up.
Nope. I could if I needed to.
Yeah, I want one of those jet boils.
Homemade chicken sausage soup.
How long does it take to make the tea though? Like 3 minutes?
Not very long. I've never timed it.
Took about 5 minutes on top of window.
That's about how long it probably takes. It all depends how much water you got in there, I guess.
Really? Is that what it is? It didn't take long to boil it, but I think it should take at least 5 minutes.
Yeah, no, I think you have to get up to 5, 6, 7.
Oh, to have that. Terrible.
I can put this stuff on it. Like a mail pack.
Get up to the top and
Okay, get my spoon out. We are doing good.
So we'll set up here. Now, pick up the cheese, the sauce.
Yummy, yummy. I worked for this.
The two Sherpas who short roped you get anything?
What? Oh, did I? No, I should have.
Yeah, you should have taken care of those two Sherpas who short roped you up.
Yeah, I know. You want me to make tea for you? Just add some water. I got extra tea bags.
No, I'm good, thanks. I appreciate it, though.
I got extra honey too. Right from the bee hive.
You do bees?
No, but I
This
buy
is
by the
nice.
5
The
gallons.
sun is warm.
My friend,
I have to put my coat on.
I'm going to start to do bees, I think.
He's, I'm going to start
I
bees
think
this year.
it's the thing.
I went to the first bee club meeting last week over in Ramapo.
Cool.
Northeast Bee
Well,
Association.
get bees from this area. Don't have them imported from like somewhere else.
No, my friends are from Yonkers, and I'm in White Plains. So he's got 2 hives. He's going to split up one of his hives to be his bees. Get the hives and then expand.
Now let's just hope March 3rd is
I'm going
just
to do a YouTube series on bees. The guy I get it from has been keeping bees since he was 10 years old. He's like 70 or something now. So he knows. He used to be a state bee inspector. He knows everything about bees.
That's cool.
So I'm going to be doing a YouTube series on him
Hey, I
starting
see
in
the
March or
fire
something.
tower. What mountain is that?
This guy has 2 hives.
Wow.
He has no competition for
What's
bees
that
in the area.
high thing?
Pulled 400 pounds of
Really? 400 pounds out of 2 hives?
That mountain's straight ahead of me.
Well, this stuff I got here, the honey, it's red, bamboo. Oh man, it's dark honey and
Yeah.
bamboo. Oh, it's really good.
There's 2 structures.
Where they growing red bamboo?
It grows wild up by
Really?
Native up there?
Huh?
Is it native up there? Or?
That's the Hudson Mountain.
It's all around.
You can see it
That's
right.
for sure. It's like a weed up there. What's it called? You can't like kill it.
Brian Basin. What mountain are we looking at over there?
I heard the only way you can kill it is spray Roundup on it while it's flowering.
overlooking the tower.
No, it's not far enough back, right?
Twin, Sugarloaf, Plateau.
So my jet boil's going good here. I'll have tea in just a second. But look at those views. Wow. This is what we worked for today. For views like that. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. I've been on a couple of those mountains. I've been on Stopel Point over there. I don't know if I've been on anything else. I've been on Poet's Ledge, but I don't think that's over there. Well, look, there's the Hudson River, the mighty Hudson River. Nice view of that today on this clear, beautiful, clear day. See, quite a ways down the Hudson. But everybody here knows the mountains much better than me. I'm just an idiot with a camera. Oh, look! My jet boil's boiling. Time to make tea. Tea's ready. Look at that. See? Where am I? There we are. Look at that. See? Time to make tea. All right. Tea time. Here, hold my camera.
Well, you make tea?
Yeah.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my gloves out. Okay.
It's time to make that tea yet?
It is. It's time to make tea. It's tea time.
Wait. Oh. Here goes Richard. Making tea.
Making tea. It's like making bacon. But not quite. Okay. Hot water.
It'd be awful if your cup spilled over.
Oh, I got more water. I packed up way too much water. I got a ton of water.
Richard comes prepared.
Yeah, and I pay for it too. In more ways than one.
You mean because of the weight, the added weight?
Added weight factor, yep.
Yeah, but it's worth it. To have a nice hot drink up on top.
Yep, with honey right from the beehive. Can't ask for more.
He's still making his tea.
Yummy, yummy. Look at this. Throw a big old thing of honey in here so I got some energy for the way down. Instant energy. Look at that. Wow. Don't even need to stir it. It'll stir on the way down the mountain. Look at that.
I think you can drink it while you're up here. We're going to stay a little while.
Oh, good. I won't be rushed like last time, huh?
It was freezing on Wyndham. We stayed up there for I think we were up there for half an hour.
Yeah, we probably were.
Yeah, if you haven't seen it, then it is.
Ta-da! Tea. All done.
Between, Twin and...
Oh, wait. Didn't see it.
That's all right. All done.
I took the camera off you.
I figure I could put that on Jet Boil too. Maybe they'll like give me some kind of like thingy. If we're doing a Jet Boil commercial for them, I'll put it on their site.
There's the mountains in the background.
Yep, beautiful mountains.
Which ones they are, I don't know.
But those guys over there do.
It's like Plateau way over. That's the only one I can tell.
Me?
Wait, which one's Sugarloaf?
I just came from the hike.
The one before Plateau?
There's plateaus on the end to the extreme right. The next one over is plateau.
Wait, this long one is Plateau, right? Okay, that's the one I was looking at.
And Sugarloaf.
Okay, Sugarloaf.
Twin.
Oh, Twin! Yes, I recognize Twin. And then Indian Head. Ah, look at that is Indian Head. And then Overlook.
He's just laying there. See him?
Yep, Indian Head is just laying there.
Yeah, brow to the right, chin to the left.
Wake up! Sorry.
Which one's Indian Head?
You're having the rupture now.
Right there in front of us?
I'm kind of laying there flaccid.
Okay, are you going to keep running this, or are you going to shut it off?
If you want to keep running it, you can. Or...
No, I want to go eat.
Okay, go eat. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you. You're welcome.
You can find this on YouTube in a couple weeks.
Okay.
If you're interested.
What will it be under?
It'll be under Kaaterskill Mountain.
I go on occasionally. If somebody posts a YouTube, Facebook,
I post to all my when I post them all on Facebook. I mean, anything I post on YouTube automatically gets posted on Facebook too.
oh. Okay, gotta get mine.
This is just a fabulous, fabulous view, a fabulous day. Look at over there at those mountains.
Yeah. What's after? What's the next wave?
I'm not sure. Probably have to do them 3 or 4 times before I get that all down.
Plateau, I've done that. That's way over there. I've done Plateau. So I've done one of those over there. That was my first hike with a pack, and let me tell you, it was no fun for me. Except when I got to the top, it was all right. But then I'd done thrown up a couple times.
Which hike was that? This one?
Plateau.
Oh.
So there you have Plateau, and over there past Plateau you have Hunter. There's Hunter over there. And there's Plateau. It's awful flat. See that flat mountain? Except getting up to the top of it ain't too darn flat.
Dropping faster than we came off.
Just beautiful. Look at all that.
They definitely chose not. They definitely did not choose the easiest way up this mountain to the trail down.
There's no cliff on it. That way.
But that's really cool. So here we go. We're off and running, or walking, whatever comes first or last. See the scrub trees that are on top of the mountain? That's when you know you're on top. All scrub trees. There we go down the Hudson, up the Hudson.
Bear Mountain, it's a possibility. That could be the area right there, Bear Mountain and Frizzle and all the way around. Yeah, the Taconics are so level that it's really...
He's got to go back up and collect everybody else who's behind.
Oh, not Mike. Mike's fine. Mike's helping. I think Doug is
That's what I mean.
frozen.
Chris has got to go back out and collect everybody.
If he doesn't like heights, he is not going to like this.
It's not that bad. It's easy.
No, but if you don't like heights...
So they should be coming around the mountain in a minute. Or 2 or 3 or 4. We'll see. This side of the mountain, as you can see, has no ice, no snow, because it's the southern facing side of the mountain. So we took our micro spikes off even, because it's wasted to use them right now.
Film them coming down.
I will if I can, if they ever get here.
Yeah. Place off battery.
I think they're coming. Here we go. This is the steep part. Everything okay up there?
We're doing good. I just took his load for him.
You don't like heights, huh?
What?
You don't like these kind of climbs right here?
He doesn't?
I'm asking.
I don't think so. I think this is more than he bargained for.
Here come the last 2. Up this steep section here. But it's pretty easy actually, it's not too bad. But we have one here that's just a little scared of heights. Not too bad.
You're not putting this on YouTube, are you?
Oh no!
Is that pretty?
There's some nice rocks there. You could almost camp or sleep under that rock.
The trees are growing right on top of it.
Yeah, that always happens. Except in the Adirondacks this year, all the trees that were growing on top of rocks were falling over from all the wet.
Well, this should have happened here with all the damage with the water.
Yeah, I know. We got really bad damage because I live in Schoharie County. You got the worst damage.
Oh, you live in Schoharie? I saw that.
Yeah.
In the village.
Yeah. But all up and down, the Schoharie Creek was ruined. Everybody's house was ruined.
Yep.
That's a nice little cliff area right there.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
You could probably live in there.
Yeah.
Like the Indians.
Yep.
I think Chief Sumacatra.
Oh, look. Yeah. Looks like a bear cave. There's a bear there in those there woods there. So you better stay out of those woods because you don't want to scare the bear. Oh, bear hunting. And here we come. Some more of our team. Team what? Team Capital Region Hiking Mates. Of the meetup group. This is a meetup group, and this is Capital Region Hiking Mates. Hey now!
Hey now! Oh, you know, come on! Come on!
Go ahead, see if you can hit me.
Chicken arm!
Yeah, see if you can hit me. I bet you can't hit me.
Chicken arm!
Oh, look at that. Ah! Can't do no better than that. Whee! I don't even have to move. It's Bomber World. We're going to rename this group Bomber World. Hey, look, there's another nice cave a bear could be in, maybe. Another bar cave. Maybe they want you to come up this side. Okay, so that's good of that. So here we are down at the end of the, coming down the mountain at the end of the herd path, I guess. And here's a big cairn showing where the herd path begins. And everybody else is still up there a little ways.
Especially when snowmobile tracks.
Yeah. It's so icy and
I don't think I've ever seen this snowmobile track on this. Because it last time I could cover.
Looks like we're down pretty much to a flatter area with a small incline, but not very much of one. That's right, respect to the mountain or you'll have a bruised butt. Like me. Which way we go here? This way? So that's the way we're going next. Doesn't look very well traveled. Neither does that way, for that matter. But that way looks more traveled.
No, that's where I went to the bathroom. Nobody else went that way.
Oh, okay. So that's the way we're going, that way.
I want to go after my the 46.
Check it out. We got another face. Like there was one on top of the mountain, there was a face. Someone came down here and painted another face. On this cairn.
Where does that go?
In the woods.
It's like a creek. Kind of.
Follows the stream down. Eventually would join up with the trail.
Yeah. Or the road. One or the other, right?
Yeah, I mean it. Yeah.
Turn back this way, Don.
Everybody's got their cameras out today. This is going to be a well-documented venture.
Yeah.
Remember, this is meetup.com, Capital Region Hiking Mates, and we always got something fun to do. And it seems like we always all get along.
Best hiking group around.
That's right. Much better than the other one.
Where's my knife?
Don't join Hudson Valley.
Oh, geez. Oh, no, it's still there. Well, I lost it.
Oh, he's up there a ways then.
Yeah.
Yeah, once he's down here.
His knee. Check it out. Here's one of the plane crashes. This one is not even high up on the mountain. See? There's a strut and a wing. Over here's the engine. It was no tail. No fate. Oh, no fate. Somebody, I don't think that was actually on there. I think somebody, one of the hikers or somebody put that on there. That looks like the same color as the face over there on the rock. So that's something somebody around here put on there. But there's the engine. Alternator.
It's so close. It's like just.
Huh. Didn't come down in a good place here. What is that over there? There's a part of it over there.
Well, it's all spaced out about 10 feet and walk through the woods. Wow.
So that's that. We found one of the plane crashes.
That makes me feel like going for a nice plane ride.
This might be packing up for a snowman. Ooh. No, not quite.
Oh, really? Whoa,
You see where the engine's been chewed on by the animals.
I don't know what they got off of it.
They chew on the aluminum.
Oh.
Yeah, the porcupines love that. Any kind of salt residue or anything like that.
Huh.
That's the engine.
Yep.
You see where it's chewed?
Yep.
Yeah,
I can see that.
And they died.
Yep. See where something's been chewing on it? Chew, chew, chew. Yum, yum, nums. Yummy nummies.
Yeah.
Nothing like it. Porcupine chewing. Who knows? But it's here.
There's your problem.
Which one? It's lost a wing?
Lots of problems there.
Yep. The biggest one is it's on the ground.
Yeah. Chewed out spot. This is all
Yep.
been chewed out.
Yep. All been chewed out by the porcupines. It's like a ground wire or something. Oh no, that's the way you make engines. You got to tie them off so the bolts don't come loose. Aircraft engines all got tied off bolts and stuff.
Yeah, no fate.
Spark plug.
Except for when.
What was that? What movie
Spark
was that?
plugs.
Yep.
Terminator.
Think we can get this thing running again?
Terminator, yeah.
Dude,
Wait, no fate, but what you make?
Yeah, just yank that crank.
What you make it and then
listen,
Good
you know.
pull.
Is that what the?
Wow, the porcupines actually ate that pan there.
yeah,
Would you take a look at that? I'm going to sneak in front of you and take a
Yeah,
real
the cover
close.
right on the manifold there.
Look at that. That's porcupine damage. You're going to wreck your plane, you better fix it right away.
You better stay alive so you can fix it, actually.
You're not going to have the wild animals.
Hey, look, you actually see the tracks coming to it.
Yeah, they're still chewing on it.
Look, something's chewing on it. Or sleeping under it, one. Could be sleeping under it, too.
There's a bunch of tracks. I mean, the animals actually love this thing.
I think that's
I'm not sure
something.
what happened to the homeowner, though. We're not sure if he made it or not.
I don't think so. Probably not. With the wreckage here, this ain't the place to crash. Probably took out a couple trees on the way down, at least. Well, onward we go. Come on, butt slide it. I did. Of course, my butt's used to falling today.
Somebody's got to go back up and do it again.
Of course you're here.
Well, just finish off from there, that's all.
Crampons on up there? You do, don't you?
I do not.
It's okay. Everybody's wearing the snow off.
Yes. Just be careful.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's fun. It's like a sled.
Yeah. It's the bogging time.
The next one is even better. See, now you're taking the fall you never took.
I thought he had the crampons back on. I was
like
like,
5
don't do
hours to
that.
get up chest and about 30 minutes to get down. Just like this. Woo! Oh, that was great.
The easy way down. On your butt.
Go back up again.
Oh man, what's the deal?
Back up this side.
Who put this hill here?
You did.
I have a guide on a trip. I expect them to do their job.
How much did you pay him?
No tip today.
Oh, yeah. No, you make it different.
No tip.
No tip, no job.
Did you make it to the trail up there?
I don't know.
Kind of sounds
Probably. It sounds like someone's up there.
They're shouting up there.
Can't be far away.
Yeah, they were
On my map, it didn't look too far away.
Nice tracks for me.
Yeah, just follow them.
Try to make a real
I didn't even put my micro spikes on.
I don't either.
Take back everything I was saying about you. This is okay.
Okay, all right. We're doing a bushwhack right now, and as you can see, we're bushwhacking it. Now we're back on the trail, a little bushwhack. We didn't have to go far out of the way.
That's how far up.
There's the main trail.
Well, we just came this way more than that way because I just didn't feel like going that. That's why we had this gully. There's a little bit of a gully there, but not as much as this one.
That was fun.
You shortened it, so that's even better.
Everybody liked the butt slide though. So
Yeah. Everybody landed on their butt today, including me, 4 times, 5, 6 times.
I think everybody back up. Other side.
Bless you.
Two people.
It's maybe what's his name's not back up yet.
Charm.
Third time.
Who's left?
No one.
No one?
85%
Doug.
success rate.
Tracy
Doug
says
coming
she's
up.
done with all the
Sorry,
list she wants to do. She's just gonna
Oh, Doug's left. He'll be coming.
Oh, 90%.
We don't really know what happened to the
No,
other two
he's
for
right
sure.
behind me.
They could have got lost in the woods on the way back, so
He's in
that would
hearing
mess
range.
up our whole ratio, really.
We
Yeah,
went back.
but we'll be there soon now. Where it's there, I don't know.
Came up,
Somewhere.
They probably went that way.
Here comes Doug.
They lost their footpaths and
Yeah.
They went off before we went down.
they went that way more.
We'll see it when they come back in on the side trail there somewhere.
Which way do we go? This one?
Yeah.
Like a bear
Downhill.
coming out of the woods.
Downhill.
Assuming they headed back. 'Cause I walked up that way and didn't see anybody.
That's it. Whack your way through. That's why they call it a bushwhack.
Were you taking pictures, Suga?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh yeah, that's right. I had you on the camera.
Yeah, hody do, it's the 7 dwarfs, and here we go. Or is it 8 dwarfs? Today it must be 8 dwarfs. We started with 10 and we ended with 8. What do you want?
I've got 10. Oh, is that Marcy? No, not me. I've got 10 of them though.
Well, here we are back to the beginning of the hike, and we just signed out. We came in with 10 and we're leaving with 4. So we didn't do very good today. We're going to have to find the rest of them. No, not really. Came in with 10. We're leaving with 8. 2 came out in advance, so everybody came out. Still a couple coming down the path here, but they'll be out in a minute. But yeehaw! Good day for Kaaterskill. And it's all done. All done. Kaaterskill. All done. Excuse my finger, it gets in the way sometimes. Does things I don't want it to. Like wide and tight. Yeehaw, all done.